Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the usable screen width and height for any app in Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And it will start downloading one file, so just tap on it once downloading is complete. Now click on install. Now once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now it will ask you some permissions, just click on continue. Now here you can see here two options: app usable width, which is in the pixel 1080, and app usable height, which is also in the pixel format. So you can see the app usable width as well as the app usable height. So by using this application Nama Screen Info, you can easily find out the usable screen width and height for an app in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.